Stop the car! What the heck is going on? Huh? Hello? Hello? Is anybody here?
Please help me!
Help me! Something's wrong! I'll check it out. Oh my God! What is going on?
Help me! Help me!
What is wrong with him?
Help me! Help me! Please help me!
Don't worry, I'm here. Hello, we have to help him. Don't worry, I'll come right away. Here I come. Found it. Let's get started. Are you okay, buddy? Yes, I'm still fine. We need to rebuild the new bridge. I will ask someone for help. I've got a job for you. Leave it to me. Come on, let's go. Okay, done. Wonderful! What is this? Very beautiful! That's great! Wow, it looks good! Keep going, keep going! Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys! Okay, let's go! Let's go home! Very good. Come on, let's go. All right. Wow, great. We have to finish the job with him today. Whoa, you are great. I love my job. Okay, done. Let's go home. Move, move. Call everyone over to help us. Help me, help me. What is going on? All right. Let's get started. Help me, help me. Don't worry, I'm here. Let's get started. Give me that task. Come on, let's go. Yeah, bravo. Hooray. Thanks for helping me, guys. Thank you for trusting me. Okay, done. See you again. What is going on? Run! Run! Oh my God! Help me! Help me! It hurts. No! What is this? Stay away! Stay away! Great! I'm sorry. I need your help. Okay, here I come. Follow me. Come on, let's go. Run, run. Hey, wait for me. Arrive. We have to help him. Oh, I'm not fine at all. What should we do now? It's very dangerous ahead. Oh, I will ask someone for help. It's over there. Run! Run! Let's go home. We have to finish the job with him today. Stay away! Stay away! It's very dangerous ahead. Don't worry, I'm here. What is this? Ouch! What is going on? Help me! Help me! Huh? Something's wrong. We have to help him. What is wrong with him?
Please call the police for me.
Ouch! I think you need help. Oh my God! Sorry, I did not see it. Come on, let's go! I'm ready. What is going on? Wow, great!